I figured start off July with the final unboxing of the year. After this, I'm gonna start focusing more on repairing all the engines I bought. But let's go ahead and over here at the test track and see what's in these two boxes. Alright, now, the item in this box I know won't run on the tracks, but we'll still see if it runs. Oh, you got a loose part in the box. Have to see what that goes to. But as you can see here, it is a very loose Rock Island F unit. And the interesting thing about this one is, I'm not even going to try and pronounce the name of the company, but it's one of the Brazilian locomotives. Now, as you saw there with the motor, it's not connected or anything, so like I said, all we'll be able to see is if it runs. But I'm hoping to get this one up and running, because I really like the Rock Island paint schemes. Especially this one. Okay, we're facing that way. Oh, we got a headlight, if you can see on the other side. Directional. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, I could feel it wanting to do something, but we won't push it too much. Like I said, it wouldn't have moved anyways because it is missing both connectors for the drive trucks. I'll have to look into see how they connect in the first place. I don't know if this piece here might be a clue. He's what was loose in the box. I don't think he is. But that'll be an interesting thing to get up and running. Next up, we'll see what's in this box. Oh, lovely. So, the seller decided to ship a box inside of a box. Let's see if we have another box inside of that box. Well, it does look like a box inside of a box inside of a box. Alright, so I figured out why the third one is also a box, and that's because of how the engine is and all. As you can see there, I ordered myself a Tenshiro engine. Well, actually, two engines. Oh, Solo was right, these have weight to them. And as you can see here, they are both Pennsylvania AB F units. Yep, I have him backwards. Let's go ahead and see how they run. Looks like I only need one locomotive. In the future, I might make both of them draw power, just to make it more consistent, or not consistent, more reliable for the engine to move. But let's see, Seller said it runs somewhat. Oh, got a headlight. Oh, 50%. Okay, yeah, as you can hear, it definitely needs maintenance. Ooh, squeaky. But those are the, like I said, the final two unboxings for the year. Unless I find another interesting locomotive. But since you've all been somewhat patient with me, and since I haven't done any repairs lately, figure I'd end out this video with showing you which locomotive I'll be working on next. And let's get the little Heisler out of the way. Okay, let's send in the Heisler to get the engine. Oh. Okay, never mind. Let's see if it comes out now. And there you can see, I'm going to be working on one of the original eBay lots, the 040 New World Aristocraft engine. And I purchased a new motor for it. What will I have to do to make it to run? You'll have to find out by watching the video when it comes out. Till next time, I'll see you on down the line.